Tech it before you wreck it. What's up, geeks? I'm Kirk, and this is your tech news. Today, we're going to talk about a couple of announcements coming from LG. LG, one of the companies making announcements before the Consumer Electronics Show this year in 2024, and these are a couple of their big announcements. First and foremost, I really like this. This is kind of cool. It's a mix of old school and new school. It's technically an OLED screen that can be transparent as well, and then behind it, it has audio tubes that drive the audio in this system. Really, really cool concept here. You can adjust the transparency of the screen. And you can see in the only image they released of this concept here, you can see they use the screen to show what music is currently playing, which makes sense. They've got speakers built into this thing. But they say you can also adjust the transparency and use this to watch TV, watch a movie, watch a show. Or you can put a fire, kind of like a Yule log on this thing, which is pretty neat as well. The Yule log will still show some of those audio tubes behind it. So it's kind of cool for people who are maybe audiophiles and want that audio tube sound, but they want maybe a newer version of this. No idea how much this thing is going to cost. It was created by LG Labs. I'm not sure if that's an indication that this thing might never actually be released. It might be more of a concept. We'll find out more at the Consumer Electronics Show coming up in the second week of January. LG also showing off this. So this is the LG Cinebeam Qube, and it's pretty cool looking. It's got a very boxy shape to it, almost old school retro look to it, a lot like the product we just talked about with the tubes inside of it. But this one actually has a handle that seems like it might be able to kind of go up to the top and be used as a handle to carry this around. But more importantly, the tech inside of this thing. It's a 4K laser projector. They say that this thing can adapt itself to any wall or ceiling, or wherever you point it, basically, it's going to automatically adapt the shape of the projector. We've seen that technology from some other projectors. This is one of the first laser ones that I've seen, and maybe this version of this automatic adapting technology is better than what we've seen from products like the Samsung Freestyle, for example. So it's about 3.3 pounds, and they say it can project up to 120-inch diagonal image. So that's a big deal because most of these portable projectors can't do that. So what this tells me is maybe LG's taking normal projector, laser projector technology and building it into a portable form factor. No price on this one either. We're gonna have to wait, but some pretty cool reveals, early reveals from LG ahead of CES. Can't wait to see if these things are actually gonna be sold, how much these things are gonna cost, because I bet this laser projector is gonna have a pretty high price point, and when they might actually be available. Just a few of the products being early released, early revealed from LG and a lot more other companies. That is your tech news here on Tech It Before You Wreck It. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for a lot more tech news, reviews, unboxing, and just some really cool stuff. I'm Kirk.